Hello, welcome to today's class. I'm so glad to have you right here with me. For today, we are going to be learning another interesting topic titled Is a Leaf and When It Grows Up. What's a leaf? A leaf is a part of a plant that traps sunlight and water to make their food. Yes, leaves trap sunlight and water to make their food. Can you see a picture of the leaf? Yes, the green leaf and the yellow leaves. So now, do you know that we have two types of leaves? Yes, there are two types of leaves. One, the simple leaf. The simple leaf have a single leaf blade. Say it after me. The simple leaf have a single leaf blade. Can you see this picture of this leaf? It has a single leaf blade. On the other hand, the compound leaf. The compound leaf are leaves that have tiny leaf blades that makes up a bunch of leaf. Can you see the tiny leaf blade making up the bunch of leaf? This is called compound leaf. Now let's look at the importance of leaves. One, it makes food for us all. Yes, leaves made food for us all. So without leaf, plants won't make their food. Secondly, it makes us strong and healthy. Say it after me. Say strong and healthy. So we need leaf to be strong and healthy. Three, it makes us grow. So leaf helps us to grow. Do you know that leaf serves as food for animals? Yes. Can you see the animal, the sheep? The sheep needs to live and the sheep is eating leaf. So, leaf serves as food for animals. Do you know that some leaves are used as medicine? Can you see that baby was sick and refused to grow? After a long time, he took drugs. He took herbs from leaf and now he's okay. Can you see the boy smiling in this picture? He's okay. So leaves serve as medicine for us all. Leaves help in transpiration. And what is transpiration? Transpiration is the process of removing excess water from plant's body. Yes, the process of removing excess water from plant's body is called transpiration. It is also seen as the evaporation of water from the surface of the leaf. Can you see? Evaporation of water from the surface of leaf. This is transpiration. So leaf helps in transpiration. Now let's move to the other part of today's lesson, which is when it grows up. What is growth? Growth is the increase in size and height. Say it after me. Say growth. Growth is the increase in size and height. Do you know that animals resemble their parents even as they grow? Yes, they resemble their parents as they grow. So animals can grow, plants can also grow, and all these are called living things. Living things are those things that have life in them. So they are those things that have life in them. Examples, your animals, lion, goat, sheep, man, and plants. They are all living things. Why? Because they grow. On the other hand, no living things. No living things do not have life in them. Your cup, your stone, your table, your chair, they are not living things. Let's look at some characteristics of living things. Yes, movement. Living things can move from one place to another. Just imagine you leave your class and you're going to the restroom. You walk from your class to the restroom, and that is what movement. What else? Respiration. Respiration. Living things can breathe in, they need oxygen to live. Without that, living things will die. So, movement, respiration are the characteristics of living things. Also, nutrition. Living things need food to grow. As they eat the food, they tend to grow. What are the irritability? Irritability is the ability for living things to respond to stimuli. Imagine I put my hand inside water. Ash! It's paining me. Wow! Exclamation. That's because living things have the ability to respond to stimuli. Then the next one is reproduction. Can you see this? Yeah, this rabbit. Living things can give birth to the young ones alive. They give birth to their young ones alive. And the next one is excretion. Abilities can pass out waste products from their body. Yes, when you go and poo in the toilet, it can be through your sweat. That's excretion too. So they go to the toilet to wee. This is excretion. Then growth. This is our emphasis for today. Living things can grow from one stage to another. Imagine a plant can go from seedling to sapling, from sapling to tree. Yes. Then also animals and humans, they grow too. Wow, the last time is maybe things can die. Can you see this dead animal? And when they die, they add more nutrients to the soil. These are the characteristics of living. There are more than this, but let's just stop here today. So, do you know that animals resemble their parents as they grow? Now we are going to look at some animals and their young ones. Look at in my left hand side, what picture is this? This is a goat and a kid. See, the goat looks so much like the kid. So the kid looks so much like the goat. The next picture is the kangaroo and Joey. So the young one of a kangaroo is Joey. Can you see the Joey looks so much like the kangaroo? And the young one of a goat is Kid. Wow, a cat and a kitten. The kitten looks so much like the cat. So living things resemble their parents. So animals resemble their parents as they grow. The young one of a cat is kitten, and the young one of a dog is puppy. You see the puppy and the dog look so much alike. Wow! Can you see the cow and the calf, the pig and the piglet? The calf looks so much like the cow, just that it's not big enough. It's still a baby cow, which is calf. By the time this calf grows up, it looks so much exactly like its parents, which is the cow. So living things can grow. So the piglet looks so much like the pig. So animal resemble their parents as they what grow. Yes, we have so many animals and their young ones. But today we are going to stop there. Can you tell me one animal and the young one? Sheep. Yes, sheep is what? Lamb. So sheep is what? Lamb. So the lamb looks so much like the sheep. Hope you enjoyed today's class. See you in our next class. I remain your humble and amiable teacher, Miss Irene Omoyerese. Bye for now. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Bye, bye, bye.